English, Grade 8,
Tape script 4.10.1.
Hi, Ronnie. I'm doing a project about healthy living. Could you help me, please?
Sure. How can I help?
I'd like your advice on how to live a healthy life.
Let me think. I think everyone should eat lots of worms.
Okay. What else?
You shouldn't drink lots of whiskey.
That's good advice.
To stay healthy, you should dance in the park early in the morning.
Do you like dancing, Ronnie?
Yes, I love to dance to Oxygen Kenya. She's my favorite.
Okay. Do you have any more advice?
You shouldn't lie in bed all day watching TV.
I agree.
You should eat lots of fruit.
Good idea. What else can we do to stay healthy?
You shouldn't eat lots of fast food.
Good idea. Do you have any more advice?
Yes, I think everyone should play badminton.
Anything else?
Yes, you shouldn't sit around playing computer games all day.
Okay, that's great. Thanks for your help, Ronnie.
No problem, what day?
Tape script 4.10.2.
A. I play football. B. Birds like worms. C. Fruit grows on trees. D. My favorite sport is badminton. E. I like to walk in the park. F. Children like to eat sweets. G. I like to dance at weddings.
Tape script 4.10.3. A. I think everyone should eat lots of worms. B. You shouldn't drink lots of whiskey. C. You should dance in the park early in the morning. D. You shouldn't lie in bed all day watching TV. E. You should eat lots of fruit. F. You shouldn't eat lots of fast food. G. I think everyone should play badminton. H. You shouldn't sit around playing computer games all day. Tape script 4.10.4.
Hi, Watai. Is it okay to come running with you now? I would like to learn how to run.
I'd love to help you, Liwan. But can I give you some advice first?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, you shouldn't wear sandals for running, Liwan. You should wear a pair of good running shoes or you might get hurt.
Okay, I'll ask my dad to buy me a pair.
You should wear shorts when you're running. Jeans are too heavy and you shouldn't wear them.
Okay, I didn't think about that.
You definitely shouldn't wear a coat, Liwan. It's very hot and you should really be wearing a running vest.
Okay, I'll get some running shoes, some shorts, and a vest. Is there anything else I should do?
Yes, if you want to be a good runner, we should meet 3 times per week.
Okay.
You shouldn't run before you have had some food. You should eat some fruit an hour before we go running.
Sure, no problem.
You should always drink water while you're running, so make sure you bring enough.
Sure, is that all?
Yeah, that's everything for now. I'm looking forward to running together, Liwan. It should be fun.
Thanks, Watai. I'll see you soon.
Tape script 4.10.5.
A. You shouldn't wear sandals. B. You should wear a pair of running shoes. C. You shouldn't wear jeans. D. You shouldn't wear a coat. E. You should eat fruit. F. You should drink water.
Tape script 4.11.1.
A. Hero has to push down on my arms. B. I have to push back for as long as I can. C. I have to hold my partner's feet. D. He has to sit up. E. I have to throw a punch. F. My partner Hero has to hold my hand and push.
Tape script 4.11.2.
A. I have to wear studded boots. B. I don't have to use my hands when I play. C. She has to bounce the ball. D. She doesn't have to use her feet. E. I have to use a racket. F. I don't have to score goals. G. He has to use his hands. H. He doesn't have to use a racket.
Tape script 4.11.3.
Welcome everyone, this is CTN reporting from the final of the boat race. We're speaking with Mr. Sylvan, who is a rower with the Kampong Chnang team. Good afternoon, Mr. Sylvan.
Good afternoon.
Could you tell us about being a rower, please?
No problem. I have to train very hard because I have to be very fit. I don't have to steer the boat, but I have to row quickly at the same speed as my teammates.
Could you give us some information about the drummer on the boat, please?
Our drummer is called Vatay. She has to play fast, so the rowers go fast. She doesn't have to train hard, but she has to play as loud as she can to give us energy.
Thanks. What about the dancer?
Our dancer this year is a bit strange. He's called Finn, and he's from Scotland. He has to dance to scare away any bad spirits. He doesn't have to row the boat, but he has to dance to encourage us and give us power.
Thanks, Mr. Sylvan. Good luck for your race today.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure.
Tape script 4.11.4.
1,
I have to train very hard.
2,
I don't have to steer the boat.
3,
She has to play fast.
4,
She doesn't have to train hard.
5.
He has to dance to encourage us.
Tape script 4.12.1. I've never danced the Madison before. I feel really scared.
Don't be scared. Just watch me. I'll teach you how to dance.
Okay, I'll try.
Great. Just follow me. First, you have to take 3 steps back with your right foot. Then, you have to kick out your left foot. And now, you have to clap.
I feel really silly. People are looking and laughing at me.
No, they aren't. You should try to relax, Mr. Pirate. You shouldn't worry about other people. You should try to have some fun.
Okay. I'll try.
Now, we do the same again. First, you have to take 3 steps back with your left foot. Then, you have to kick out your right foot. And you have to clap again.
Whoa! Ouch! Oh, my leg! Could you stop laughing and help me up, please?
Maybe you shouldn't try to dance, Mr. Pirate. You should stick to playing football. It's less dangerous. You shouldn't put yourself through all this pain. Now everyone is laughing.
Tape script 4.12.2.
A. You should try to relax. B. You shouldn't worry. C. You should try to have some fun. D. You shouldn't try to dance. E. You should stick to playing football. F. You shouldn't put yourself through all this pain.
Tape script 4.12.3.
A. He doesn't have to wear shorts to play. B. I don't have to wear shorts either. C. He doesn't have to bring a musical instrument. D. I don't have to teach Finn.
Tape script 4.12.4.
A. Finn shouldn't wear a kilt. B. Watay should wear shorts today. C. Finn should leave his bagpipes at home. D. Watay should help out.